Gregory, what do you have there?
Well, see, the two most fashionable people and popular people on Rachel's TikTok decided to get together, and we're gonna open some Doorables. But it ain't me. Lady!
Here you go, lady.
Here we go. Let's see, what do we have today?
You've got
This is the
Technicolor.
Technicolor Doorables. All right, 5, 6, 7. I'm thinking 5.
I'm hoping 6.
You're hoping 6? Okay, he's thinking 6. I'm thinking 5.
Open it up.
Oh, these are easier to open than the others.
Here's the mom.
Oh,
2, 4.
5.
5. Okay, I thought 5. All right.
She's opened up the whole side, not even looking at the doors.
I wasn't. Okay.
Let's pull them out.
All right, please hold. All right, Mama. Which ones do you want?
Oh, well, look, they're like line them up. Should we do them lowest to highest, highest to lowest, or just
Yeah, but which
random?
ones are you looking for?
Oh, I don't know. I haven't seen any of the puppies, but Rachel says she has
I
a
have
puppy.
Patch.
You have Patch. What am I looking for?
Didn't you say you like Jeannie?
Jeannie? Jeannie is funny.
Yeah.
I don't know. I just want to be surprised.
Okay. All right. Pick
Dealer's
one up.
choice.
All right. We'll do number 8. I think it's the lowest number. Yep.
I know if it's 8 or 80.
It's 8. You're looking at it upside down.
I could be.
Oh,
She
it's
got a
Which
puppy.
puppy is it?
Is this
Is that the
Perdita?
Pepita?
Ooh.
Or Perdita?
No, that's Penny. Oh, and she's a rare.
rare. She's even flocked.
Oh, they flocked all the pups, I think.
Yeah. I like her eyes. That's very cute.
Excellent.
Okay.
Number 2.
Number 2. Okay, that one's done. Let's do number 21. It's been a long time since I was 21.
Oh, sure. Like 3 days ago, doesn't it?
There we go. Okay.
What do you think it is? Or you're cheating?
I did cheat. Okay. It is. Oh, wait. This is from.
Oh, it's Wade.
Element. Oh, it's a green
Wade.
one.
We got 2 rares.
2 rare.
Yay!
Wait, what is his name?
Wade Ripple.
Oh, Wade Ripple. Cute.
He looks really cool,
He
actually.
is
Yeah.
cool. He is cool. He's kind of a.
He's all swirly,
Translucent
like he's...
blue.
Whirl.
Okay.
Vassar.
Number 3.
32 is the next one.
32.
All right, Mom, what do you hope it is?
Well, let's see.
It's not Kermie. He's not in this set.
No,
Not
there is
in
not a
this set.
Kermit.
Big head.
And little arms.
Big head.
sure what this play was
Let's see. Big head. Oops. I don't know.
I hope it's... Are you hoping it's Darla?
She do got a big head.
She does have a big head.
No pigtails. So it's not that one.
All right,
Okay.
who is it?
It's a fit. Oh!
An ultra rare. It's bloat.
We got
That's
Bloat.
right, though. It was a big head.
It was a big body in this case. It's bloat.
Bloat. It is bloat.
Bloat. Okay.
Here's
Number
Bloat.
40. Number 43. Oh, wait.
Why'd you say that like you're a Dalek?
I don't know.
She doesn't even... Do you know what a Dalek is?
Okay. Is that just one?
Mom, do you know what a Dalek is?
Yeah, it's from
I'm waiting
Doctor
for...
Who.
There we go, good.
Excellent. 2 points for...
Okay, there are
10 points for lady.
ears, but a big head.
There are ears. Could it be a lost boy?
It could be a lost boy. Oh, is it Cubby? Oh, we couldn't have 3 blues.
You mean to one?
2
Oh, well, that would be an ultra.
Yeah.
I don't know.
You don't know.
Open
Oh,
it.
could be slightly. Let's see. Oh,
Slightly
It is a lost
correct.
boy.
Slightly. Okay.
She called it with the ears. Oh, he's cute.
He is cute.
I don't think we have him.
I don't think we
He
do.
is cute.
Yeah.
We don't have any of these 5.
We have
lost-
Toodles.
when
We have
have we
Toodles.
lost?
Which one's Toodles?
He's the one that's dressed like a skunk.
Oh no, I meant of the new ones.
Oh no, we don't have any of these so far.
Last one.
No, I think we might have Wade.
You might have waited.
Last
Yeah.
one, number 53.
Okay,
Okay.
lady, open it up.
Oh, look at Mama Odie. But I don't think that's her. Could be 2 ears again, too. Little ears. Maximus, maybe?
He's not in this. I don't think he's. In
Yeah, Maximus is right
Is
here. Yeah, right here.
We don't have him actually.
I'm just feeling 2 little ears.
Open
so
it up.
Let's see. Nope, wrong color. Is it Nemo? No.
It's Pooh!
It's a special edition.
It's the special edition Pooh!
It's Pooh. Look at actually this little Pooh's really cute.
You now have all Poohs. You have a lot of
I
Poohs.
like Pooh.
Here's,
This was a good.
oh, and look at how happy he is. That was a really good one.
You got to recap.
Yeah, we're going to recap.
Okay.
All right, so first we have our 1 common, we have our 2 rares, our 1 ultra rare, and our special edition Pooh. He's so cute.
Okay, gotta say their names. Slightly,
Wade Ripple, Penny,
Penny,
Bloat, and Pooh. Should we add him to the rest of your Poohs?
sure.
Who's your favorite?
Okay. All right, here we go. We're putting the Pooh with all of Mama's Poohs. There we go. Mom's got her poop in a group.